I'm about to start making baggy jeans for my avatar, but I have no idea why it requires so many programs like Marvelous Designer, Substance Painter, and Blender. Honestly, just paying for an AI video generator might be better for your mental health. Let's go. Blender Cloth Simulation Guide. Step 1. Floor, Plane, Settings. Select the floor plane and go to the Physics Properties tab. Enable collision to prevent the jeans from falling through the floor. Step 2. Jeans Settings. Select the jeans and go to the same Physics Properties tab. Under the Collision section, check Object Collision so they recognize the floor. Make sure to check Self-Collision to prevent the fabric from clipping through itself. I won't even explain the struggle of painting these jeans layer by layer in Substance Painter. It's just too much work. After hours of rendering in After Effects and adding all sorts of effects, I've realized that while it looks pretty on my character, it's also completely useless. And that's a wrap for this video. Bye. Peace.